We have an unknown production function Q of xy, where x and y are amounts of productive factors. It is known that the marginal productivity of the first productive factor is 2x y squared, and that the production is 0 when x is 0, independent of the value of y. Calculate the production function and the marginal productivity with respect to the second factor. So what we have here is an unknown production function. It is known the marginal productivity of the first productive factor, so we know that the first derivative of q with respect to y is 2x y squared. We also know that when x is 0, independent on the value of y, the production is 0, and we are asked to calculate the production function and also the other partial derivative. So, as we know this derivative, to calculate the original function, we must calculate the integral of the function 2x y squared with respect to x, because the derivative that we know is with respect to x. So this is 2x squared over 2 and y squared, which is constant. Remember that when we calculate an antiderivative, we add a constant. The problem here is that we have two variables, x and y, and we have integrated with respect to y. So this constant, we know that it doesn't depend on x, but it depends, or it can depend on y. So I copy here the result. The production function is x squared y squared plus a constant depending on y. To know this constant term, we will use this information. Q of 0y is 0. So Q of 0y is 0 squared y squared plus k of y. And we know that this result is 0. So we can conclude that this constant term is 0. So finally, the production function is q of xy equals x squared times y squared. Then calculating the marginal productivity with respect to the other factor, which is y, it's quite easy. This is x squared times 2y, that is 2x squared y. This is the marginal productivity.